Good morning. Second day, July 4. Hi, Lupi. Hi. Ha- How's your first day?
How are you doing?
Sige na, malayo to. Oh.
It was yummy.
Anong yummy? First day? Yummy?
First day, yummy.
Yeah, yesterday.
So much.
Pagkugulit. Wait so much. Tayo sa San Diego. Good morning, San Diego! Charot. July 4, July 4. Natin dito sa backyard.
Okay lang ba yung video na?
hindi namin i-video yung bahay. So, si PJ i-video ko. Ano masasabi mo sa ano?
Ang ganda dito, guys.
Hindi, maganda yung weather. Hindi siya
Para
mainit.
sa kumpara sa Durham, mga extreme ang mga weather. Pag nag-summer, mainit talaga.
Hi guys! Nagbabalik na naman yung Vloggers Petroleum for today's video. Dito tayo sa Coronado Islands, dito sa San Diego, California guys. Atan tayo ng parade. Ilang taon na to? Ilang taon na yung parade natin dito. So basta yun, atan tayo ng parade, tingnan natin. So ayun, samahan nyo kami for today's video. Today is ano daw? July 4th. Today is July 4th. July 4th, ba ganyan. So may pa 4th of July, basta ganyan. So may pa ano sila, may pa program silang ganyan. Titingin kami ng parade later. Pero 10 pa yata. So ayan. Happy 4th! And margarita. Oh, ang dami tao eh.
Carriage Company.
She's appeared in her favorite parade more than any other equestrian. Over these years, she's appeared with her horses in the parade of over 30 communities. Welcome, happy 4th.
Adam Schiff cruises down. What's up, guys? Good to see ya.
Happy 4th.
Car and Motorcycle Storage Member Social Club. All right, here we go. And that's not our tour, ladies and
And then
gentlemen.
we have Sheriff Kelly Martinez. Hello, welcome to Coronado. Happy 4th of July.
You got a nice ride too, and a handsome driver. There you go. You're dialed in. One of my, forget about little Mac coming behind. By the way, keep Coronado just the way it is. Leave here, just don't mess with it. We're good here.
Look at that. Looking good. Happy 4th of July. And we also had Jordan Marks. We all want that. Woo. Oh, this is classic.
All right, coming down the ways. We've got the Coronado Fire Department. And it still gets the job done, but right behind, if you want to see a classic example of the old and the new, I gotta admit, I still don't like that old.
Thank you for your service. Please welcome the 2026 Miss Bulls Only Rodeo Queen, Luz Calamantes, at the Lakeside Rodeo Arena. Check out Bulls Only Rodeo.
Lakeside, you guys, you do the bull riding thing at all? No, you look smarter than that. You look like no, that's not for me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming our way. They get it done, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, guys. You having a good time?
Thank
Yeah.
you.
You've only got
Happy 4th of July.
for the walkers. You've only got 6 more miles. You're almost there. It's looking good.
Thank you. And it is my pleasure to introduce Honor Flight San Diego, an all-volunteer nonprofit organization dedicated to bringing World War II, Korean, and Vietnam veterans to visit their veteran memorials in Washington, D.C. Let's give a big Coronado round of applause for Navy, World War II, Korean War, and Vietnam War, the Coronado residents, and
Thank
Honor
you.
Flight.
Thank you.
SEAL Team 1, Vietnam. Thank you so much. Amazing. Happy birthday.
Page, who was awarded the Medal of Honor for his actions in World War II during the Battle of Guadalcanal. The Marine Corps League consists of active duty reserve and veterans from all branches of the military, ladies and gentlemen.
835. Thank you so much for your service. Thank you. And Coronado's own Walt Travis is riding behind in a convertible, who is a Marine combat veteran of Guadalcanal and other World War II Pacific battles. He's also accompanied by other members.
Such a good. Bakit ganyan?
Date naman kaming dalawa. Kaming dalawa lang.
Picture.
Doon sa loob eh.
Meron Science Center. Tapos ito may mga nagko-concert dyan pag Christmas. Yung mga
May Japanese garden dyan.
Japanese garden, may bahay.
Malaki pa parang siyang duk ano pala.
Parang Duke Garden.
Parang-
Tama, oh yeah.
Na mas lively. Yung sa Duke, parang ano, hindi pinupunta masyado.
Ayan yung bumaba.
Hindi na po iikot mo ng
Ikot na lang. O sige, ikot ako.
Ayaw yung mag-picture.
Kasi puro lakad nga lang din. Oo. Tsaka mainit tangalin dapat mga hapon ganun.
Tsaka ano yung ganyang architecture, wow. May architecture na ako alam dyan. Parang ganyan mga Mexican, di ba? Yung mga ganyan itsura.
Oo.
Ay,
Kasi parang mga
Totoo dyan ay may Pilipino.
drive na lang sa downtown pala.
ano yung parang gang?
pag-fall.
Wala, puro green dito. Sa inyo may
Walang orange.
wala kasi hindi kasi lumalamig ng husto dito. So ikot tayo sa isang side and then punta tayo sa downtown.
Yun naman yung maganda sa after natin mag-Coronado Island, guys, kain tayo dito. Kain tayo dito sa Filipino restaurant, Lisa's Filipino Cuisine. Yeah, so ayun guys, dito tayo ngayon sa mga sikat na Filipino restaurant. Charo. Lisa's Filipino Cuisine. Dali ka, pasok tayo. Punta kami dun sa Seafood City, guys. Ayan, ganda pa. Ayan. Punta kami sa Seafood City. Ayun, doon. Namin kung bibili kami ng mga Filipino products. Ay, may Goldilocks din sila dito, oh. Goldilocks. Meron doon Jollibee sa kabila kanina. Yan, guys. Pa tayo doon. Saan yung Jollibee? Ayun din yung Jollibee, oh. Dito kami sa National City, ata tawag nila dito. So, ayan. Punta tayo dito sa Seafood City. Ay, may LBC din. Perfect. May JRS ba dito? Kasi by LBC. May Cebuana Lumilier ba dito? Or di kaya by ano? Ano pa ba yung Palawan Express? Ganon. Ay, kulang. May mga inasal kaya dito? Wala. So, ayan. Nagpabala kami ng kinain. Uy, may foot massage! Perfect! Hello. Yung coffee ko guys, $4.79. Pero parang mas polybag. Ito yata $12.99. Sige, para may reserve. Ito na lang brown. Ay, ito na nga lang. Coffee ko blanca. Ay, sorry. Mas maraming choices si daddy dito. O, kuha ka. Crispy fry para sa mga chicken.
Pag-pauwi na tayo.
Pwede naman ngayon na. Same lang naman. Kuha siya ng crispy fry. Wala kasi ako kaming makakitang ganito sa Limings. Yan. Mas maraming choices dito sa seafood. Ayan, dito yung mga C2. Ayan. Ay, wala silang Yakult, guys. Ay, may silang Tipas Bakery, ah. Ayan, wala lang silang Yakult. Ayan, may Yakult ba sila? Wala. Wala. Perfect! Ano naman sa'yo? Nikki, pa-burger, ni Tita B. May celebration ng July 4th. Manonood kami ng fireworks display. So ayun, doon kami galing kanina sa Coronado Islands. Ayun. Yun yung malaking blue bridge. So ayan. While waiting for the guys, for the fireworks display this July 4.